Did you know that with just a few simple ingredients, you can prepare an absolutely delicious dish? Start by selecting 1 kilogram of fresh fish. Add 200 milliliters of coconut milk, which will bring a creamy texture and a slightly sweet flavor to the dish. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon over the fish. This not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to gently tenderize the pieces. Let this mixture marinate for at least 10 minutes. In a large pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 medium chopped onion, and 1 ripe chopped tomato. Keep stirring to prevent it from burning. Then add 250 milliliters of tomato sauce. Stir well and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Season with oregano to taste. It adds a delightful herbal note that pairs wonderfully with fish dishes. Now, add a little water to create the broth. Stir well until it starts to boil. Carefully place the marinated fish into the pan, pouring in the remaining marinade as well. Stir again to mix everything thoroughly. Sprinkle black pepper to taste. Cover the pan and let it cook on a medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through but still firm and juicy. At this point, your fish is cooked and smells absolutely amazing. To finish, sprinkle over some freshly chopped parsley and spring onions. The freshness of these herbs gives the dish a final touch, making it even more fragrant and inviting. Serve it with fluffy white rice and, if you like, a side of farofa. And there you have it. You've just made a wonderful fish stew, full of flavor, love, and tradition. And remember, cooking is a gesture of affection, a way to gather loved ones around the table and create unforgettable memories. This fish stew, with its bold flavor and simple preparation, is perfect for a Sunday lunch with the family or even to impress someone special. If you'd like to change it up, you can add ingredients such as potatoes, carrots, or even a touch of chili to give the dish more personality. What matters most is cooking with love and enjoying every moment. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who need to try this delicious dish. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've already made this recipe or are planning to, let us know in the comments how your experience went. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Every week we bring you new, practical, budget-friendly, and flavorful recipes, all prepared with great care to make your everyday cooking easier. Sending you a warm hug, and see you in the next video with more amazing recipes to help you shine in the kitchen.